A light magnitude 2.8 earthquake hit 57 kilometers, 35 miles, away from Ashburton, Canterbury, New Zealand, in the early morning of Wednesday, July 30, 2025 at 2:28 a.m. local time, GMT +12. The quake had a very shallow depth of 5 kilometers, 3.1 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, GeoNet, NZ, after 1 minute, data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May the earthquake that occurred not affect our brothers and sisters there. May the earthquake not happen again. And may God protect everyone. Amen.